Hey, what's up? Brent from Brentspeed. Thanks for watching Brentspeed TV. This 2020 GT500 is back. You saw it earlier this year laying down 1,010 real horsepower. Client came in to look at it, said, I love it, I want 100 more. We did that. We are going to go down and take a look, tell you how we got there. This baby lays down over 1,100 real horsepower. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, notify us today. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, of course, this is an E85 car, actually running canned X85. Doug, come down here, take a look. So this is a stock ported supercharger. We have a VMP lid on top. He brought this lid in. This was blue. We had a hydro dip carbon fiber to match the carbon fiber GT500. It's awesome. VMP throttle body, JLT cold air. We have ID 1700 injectors, American Racing long tube headers, and has converted a 10 rib to 2.5 upper, 20% lower. Check out this dyno pull. All right, I know I'm talking quick, but hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? But hey, here we go. This supercharger is pretty much done at this point. DynoJet SAE smoothing 5, 1,110 at 7,200 RPM. Torque comes in at 811 at same 7,200. Boost, check this out, 24.8 PSI. So, pretty heavy on the boost on the stock blower. Like I said, pretty much that's it. I think it's maxed out. It's ported, 2.5 pulley, 20% lower. Here we have it. 2020 GT500 carbon fiber. You gotta love it. And I do like the way the VMP lid looks. Then we had hydro dipped and carbon fiber. We don't mail order like the hydro dip stuff, but if you come in for an install and you want that, we can do it. So leave a comment. Happy to answer, and email quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? Thanks for watching.